Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to bypass the password lock screen, pattern lock screen, Face ID, or any other type of screen lock on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or the S10e. So once there is a password on the phone, as you know, there's no way to access the phone. So I'm going to show you this easy method to go ahead and get access back into your phone. So we will go ahead and hold the power button, and that will take us to this screen. We will click on restart. Let me go ahead and before I click on restart, explain what exactly we are going to be doing. So after clicking on restart, then we will hold the volume up button, the Bixby button, and the power button as soon as the phone shuts off and starts restarting. So let me go ahead and show you how we are going to go ahead and do that. So first thing, hold the power button, click on restart, confirm the restart, and as soon as you see this screen, hold the power, all three buttons together. Volume up, Bixby, and power button, all three together. And there we are. You saw the little Android, and we are now on the Android recovery screen. So on this screen, you are going to go ahead and navigate using the volume up and down buttons. And on this screen, you are simply going to scroll down and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. This will delete any password or any other type of screen lock on the phone. And to confirm this, you're going to use the power button. So click on that, then click on yes. It will go ahead and start deleting everything. Data wipe completed. Takes a few seconds. Then we will end up back on this screen. Then you will choose on Reboot System Now. So click on that. And that will simply go ahead and reboot the phone back to the setup screen. Now this method will delete everything off of the phone. Now once the phone is booting back up, it's going to boot back up to the Samsung setup screen. So you will then go ahead and reset the phone and set it up as you normally would. So let's go ahead and wait till it gets back to that screen. Alright, the phone is now back to the setup screen. So let's go ahead and go through the setup. And there we go. We have full access back into our phone. So guys, it's as easy as that to go ahead and remove the screen lock on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or the S10e. If this video helped you, please drop us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.